Andy Mock joins us now. He's a senior research fellow at the Center for China and Globalization. Andy, how big of a problem have data leaks been in China? So explain to us what led to this new protection law and what will companies essentially have to do?
Well, this is a very, very big problem, and it's been in existence for a number of years, not just in China, but all around the world. As we all know, as our lives have been transformed by many digital products and services, that data security is becoming increasingly urgent and important. So what we've seen with this new data security law is that it's really a threefold effort that started with the cybersecurity law, which was implemented in 2017, and in November we will see the personal information protection law also take effect. So this will be a systematic, comprehensive approach to address this problem of data security that China's facing, but people all around the world are frankly struggling to deal with.
China is saying more regulations in other areas of the digital world. Is this part of a larger tech crackdown, and how will this new law be enforced?
Well, I actually disagree with this term crackdown. Again, what we've seen is that data security, privacy, cybersecurity are all very, very important concepts. And if we roll the clock back, President Clinton at the time joked that trying to control information online would be like nailing Jello to the wall, and kind of mocked China for that. But history has shown that, in fact, China was absolutely correct. And I think the Chinese approach, whether we're looking at cybersecurity, data, other aspects of governance and life, is to be proactive and preemptive. So taking a systematic, careful, and thoughtful approach to addressing issues so that there aren't crises and disasters that happen and then the government has to scramble to fix them, but to say, let's carefully and thoroughly look at these important issues and build a framework to preempt any possible problems. So I think this is a longer term effort that we can also put under this rubric of common prosperity, because to have truly common prosperity, a country needs to be safe, stable, and prosperous. And online life is becoming an increasingly important part of everyone's lives.
Are you saying it's kind of like the wild, wild west when it comes to online presence and the digital world? And I guess I also wanted to ask you about hackers. How big of an issue do hackers play into this at all?
Absolutely. And it's not just hackers individually that are maybe hacking to demonstrate their technological virtuosity, or criminal gangs looking to do this for economic gain, for instance, a number of these ransomware attacks that we've seen, but there are also state actors as well. So we see this idea, again, that China has been focusing on for a number of years of cyber sovereignty, because we see that data is a valuable national resource and must be managed and protected from individual malign actors as well as malign state actors as well. So again, I think it is further evidence of a proactive and preemptive approach to address the sort of Wild West environment that you mentioned.
Well,